Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Raluca. In today's video I'm going to show you how I did this eyeliner here. It's flattering on any eye shape, to be honest, on anyone. If you want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. Okay, let's get into it. I'm going to use my Revolution Gel Eyeliner. I feel like gel liner is a little bit easier to use than liquid liner. I'm going to need a flat angle brush. I'm going to use this one right here. This is a Makeup Addiction. It's called the small angle brush. I will pick up my liner here and basically just coat my brush in it on both sides. And then I need to wipe this excess off. I'm going to wipe it against the lid like this. And by the way, a little hack, place your eyeliner upside down on your desk, because it's going to extend its life. It's not going to dry out as fast. So what I want to do is keep my eyes open, very important, because especially if you have hooded eyes, but not only, keep your eyes open, eyebrows relaxed. I'm going to start from my outer corner, like right here, and do a little stamp with that, a little line. And you can make it as long as you want to. I'm going to make it a little bit longer than this. About that long. Okay, I'm going to pick up some more product. Again, wipe off the excess. And what I'm going to do is connect this part of the liner here with my lid. And I'm going to do a very straight line. So when you look ahead in your mirror, it should be straight. So I'm going to start here and just stamp, because this brush is really helpful, because again it has a kind of a straight tip, so you can just stamp like that. Go over your eye folds, ignore all of that, just go straight. If you feel like blinking, take a break. And I just go halfway, like basically where my iris ends, right? I just poked myself in the eye. So stop the liner right where your iris ends here. And now I can fill that in. If you have a liquid liner, it's the same thing, but you have to make the straight line yourself. The brush is not going to be as helpful. It's pretty hard for me to do this while filming. I do not have a good eyesight, so I really need to get close to my mirror to see what I'm doing. I just fixed the wing a little bit, and I'm making this line as straight as possible. And now this is what we want the liner to look like. But now you can see I have here some weird shapes, and what you want to do is pick your brush and, like right here, fill this in, but do not, I repeat, do not go straight. Like, do not connect this part to this part. It's going to ruin everything. What you want to do is just fill it in downwards, like that. So you're still going to have this weird lightning shape here, but that is going to ensure that when we are relaxed looking ahead, the liner is going to be straight. Like I said, especially if you have hooded eyes, it's going to look amazing when you look ahead and have your eyes open. It's not going to be swallowed by your hooded eyes. It's really going to elongate and lift the outer corner. It's going to make that more like a cat eye look. I did not expect this tutorial to be this short, but this is the end result. If I look at the camera, it's really straight, really flattering for my eye shape. But if I look down or like close my eyes or like raise my eyebrows, it has quite a weird shape. So what? I feel like it looks cool. It looks like a bat wing. I think this is what this liner is called, actually, the bat wing. But I really like it even when I look down like that. I did my other eye, and this is the finished eyeliner look. I really hope this short tutorial was useful for you, and if it did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below. And yeah, that's it. I really hope you're having an amazing day, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!